Good morning, this time we decided to make a different video since a lot of people ask me how can I carry just a few things for such a long time.
And now, let's get started.
So these are all the things that are in our backpack, and now Alicia will start with giving a little bit of more explanation about the first part.
Okay, so girls, what we need when we go in a backpacking trip. First of all, concerning the clothes, we need, for sure, in this period that it's almost cold, we need 2 long pants. I like jeans, so I take 2 jeans. Then of course we need 2, I think, leggings. This you always need. 1 short and a skirt or a mini dress that sometimes when you go out in the night or visiting in the day you are more pretty. This is also important, right, Jente?
Like you say, I
Even
don't
if
know.
you are traveling. For the t-shirt, I think not more than 4 t-shirts. Then, now you need for sure to pool. I suggest also 1 open pool if it's very cold. 2 tops if weather surprises you and it's hot. And to be prettier, something like this, like more elegant.
You're prepared for everything, for
we
every
are always
situation.
ready. We are girls. And for the underwear, I just suggest to have 7 panties and 7 socks. So you are ready, you are prepared for 1 week. You wash everything and ready for the next week. Then you need 1 swimsuit when you want to go swimming. And shoes, very comfort shoes because you will walk a lot. And flip-flops.
The most styleful you have.
Yeah, let's see yours.
My stuff. You can come with me, it's no problem. We boys are much easier, we don't need so much different situation stuff. So for the pants, just 2 long pants, for me it's more than enough. Then for the short pants, I just have my sport shorts, for example, for sleeping, something like that, because it's too cold outside to be in shorts. Swimsuit, then it's for the pants, then 7 for the underwear, 7 socks to pass the 7 days.
Yeah, as I already said.
Then 4 shirts, 1 with long sleeves, other 3 with short sleeves, 2 pull, so that we don't have cold, of course, a shirt, an underwear for this part, so when it's in the night or in the evening very cold, that we can put another thing on it, sport shoes, hats, sunglasses.
Concerning the hygienic thing, it's very easy. What you need is just a beauty case with all the things, the most important things. Another little beauty case with the medicines, and this also like the survive kit, because not always you have a pharmacy or hospital nearby. For girls also I think it's important this, something pretty that you can need in the night, I don't know. This is also important to take out makeup or to wash. Yeah, this of course. And also the towel has to be a travel towel because they dry very fast, so when you need it. And in the end you need the things that you can't say I can't leave it home. For example, for me the glasses, otherwise I'm blind. And there are, I suppose, also things that people need it. For example, I need this, okay, I know will be...
Everybody needs to make his own priorities.
This is mine. And I agree with the consequence that it will be another kilo.
From the moment we started to make the videos, we need some more equipment, so we took a second backpack that mostly I carry like this in the front.
Yeah.
To put all the stuff that we need for the videos, like my laptop to edit them, Alicia's iPad, the different cameras, like the ones here, action camera, accessories for the action camera, a lot of memory, of course, like the hard drive, USB. What is very important is extra battery life for when you're in the day, you don't have anything to charge, that you can charge it. And an extra tip I will give you, but don't say it to anybody, is a socket for when you're in hotels or in hostels. That's you can charge different things in one time.
Yeah, it's true. And these are the items that I need to paint that you can see at the end of every video, and you can also check it out on Instagram. So papers, material and colors. And if in your trip you decide to camp, don't forget the tent, of course, the sleeping bag, bottles for the water. If you decide also to cook in the tent, it's always easier. You have to take with you the gas, so the little kitchen, things where to cook, things where to eat, so plates, cups, forks,
Very important for us, yeah.
Yes. Then you can also always use this in camping, and in camping it's very important light. So we have two. This we normally put inside the tent, and this we put here, so if you go out and it's dark you can see something. Okay, that's it for the camp. Now I will give you some little tips that you can't forget. First, little knives. You can use it for cutting food or everything else. If you go in hostels, don't forget this for
earplugs.
Yeah, because you will use it. And also this for to close the lock, and also if you need to close your backpack. Here we have some stuffs like lighter, marks or a pen. For example, with this we always write our next city to hitchhike. I have a stick to make photo, it's not so important, I don't know if you want it. And if it's a rainy day, you need maybe this. It's big like my hand, so it's really small. The umbrella and the cover for the backpack. The last thing, for me it's important, I don't know for you, I will tell you, it's the bag for the dirty clothes. So every time it's dirty you don't have to put it again with the other or on your back. You just put everything here, your clothes, and you put it on your backpack. So you have everything always in order, clear, and you know where is everything. And now I think we have everything. Okay, so guys, we hope to be very helpful with this tutorial. Thank you for watching, of course.
And if you want, you can subscribe here if you want to see more of our videos. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up.
Yeah.
And we see you next week on the road.
Yeah, and see you Sunday for the next video.
We are leaving. Bye bye.